Alright, 200 in. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic candle. Full screen. Let's see some magic. Let's see some magic. Run it up with daddy. There you go. $5 a bet. Put in 200. Let's see some magic. Full screen. Maybe a major will pop out, maybe a minor, who knows? Big drop, I can see it. Oh man, that one didn't go crazy. Didn't go crazy, but hey, let's see what it hit for. Put in 200. Okay, here we go. Not bad, 660. Alright. Not bad, smack for 660. 200. So got some money from that. Right here, this is 2 racks. There you go. Yammer, the lair, we in the secret hideout lair. We in the trap zone, the money trap. These things hit a lot though. Of course. So you can make some good money over here because these hit a lot. You just gotta be patient. You really run up a bag on them real quick. These hit a lot. So there it is. $5 bet. Bought a bet $10, I would have got a jacket. Not bad. 660. So 600, 700. So I just made $500. Just that fast. $500 in 5 minutes. Straight like that. $500 in 5 minutes. So there it is. Just made $500 in 5 minutes. Less than that. You know, probably about like 3. It was just that fast. So, you know, just as fast as the money goes, as fast as the money comes in. So, as you can see, you gotta go on winning streaks, take your money and walk away. I put in $200, just was patient, $200, probably about like 30 spins or something like that. And then it cracked, straight like that. Shit popped. I got the bonus feature, $5 a bet, and you know, I made $500 in profit, 200 in, we got 700 back, you know, straight like that. And that was the first win. That was the first time it went up. So, hey, it just so happened to go up 500. So I'll take that and walk away. And that's how you build up a bankroll. That's how you go on a winning streak. And that's how you keep continuously making money in the casino. You want to just take a win or whatever and then just get on. Come back and you can do it again, you know. You can smack it another day because the casino's not going nowhere. Especially if you live close to a casino. My local casino, my favorite spot I be at is like 30 minutes away from the spot. So I'm only 30 minutes away from the casino. So it's easy for me to come up here on a day-to-day basis. So that's how you can really run up a bag at the casino. You know, it's not hard to do. And the money just keeps compounding, you know, the compound interest. You know, you take your wins, just reinvest the wins back into the game. And I only, you know, pay bills and shit. You know, when I got to, like I took a win the other day and I paid on my trade lines for my credit, building credit, you know. So that's how you just get ahead and just stay focused and you could do it. So, you know, always play games that you see people winning at. You know, the games I was playing, people was winning left and right to me, like crazy winning. So that's how you do it. Take your win, don't be greedy, and come back another day. Yesterday I won $130. So I took a win, $130 in 1 minute, literally. And then I took that and I walked away. Straight like that. So, yo, if you found the value in this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. keep blasting you in the head, man. Keep busting you in the head, which is crazy. Casino method gym, so you can walk out the casino with a bag and stop taking losses and leave a winner. Straight like that. That's how we do it, you heard? Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. Spontaneous production. Yeah. All my goons worldwide, what up? Let's get it. Peace. Pretty good. Let's see these ceiling lights. Alright, that's alright. Good.
Production.